Here's how you do dumbbell bench press, okay? Start off with dumbbells that are a suitable weight for you, not something that's stupidly heavy, something you can actually control, okay? Lift them off the floor and set them on your knees like I'm sitting here now, okay? You're in a nice upright posture, and what you're gonna do to get these dumbbells up over you so that you can actually lift them, okay? If the dumbbells are light enough, you can just go back and lift them up and you'll be fine, okay? But if you're at a point where you're lifting medium weight of dumbbells, these are only 20, so they're not too heavy for me, but for most people they would be, or some people, you lean back and you allow your knees to lift for you, okay? So you lean back like this, and as you do, you allow your knees to go. Now you can do this one at a time if the dumbbells are very heavy. You can kind of kick one of them up and kick the other one up after, or you can do what I always prefer to do, which is both at the same time, which is you essentially just rock back like that. And I use the knees to bring them up, and then I pop my feet on the floor, okay? That's how I'm gonna bring the dumbbells up if I need to. Once I'm in this position, all that I'm doing is I'm lowering the dumbbells and separating them slightly on the way down, so I'm widening them out a wee bit to about here, driving them back up and together, down nice and slow to about here, driving them up and together again, okay? In terms of key points of technique during that movement, what you'll notice is 2 or 3 things. Number 1, dumbbells are closer together when they're at the top than they are at the bottom, just because of the way the arms converge, they come together at the top, so that's just a natural result of the movement. Second one you'll notice is that the dumbbells are not coming straight up high here. So when I'm lying back, I'm not raising them with my elbows very high. That's very bad for the shoulder, and it's not training your chest very well, okay? So the elbows are actually down here at like a 45-degree angle. That's the pressing angle that I'm hitting is here, okay? So when I'm lying back, I'm there. Good stretch on the pec, safe position for the shoulder, makes me strong during the movement, okay? So hands are gonna come apart a wee bit. You wanna make sure the elbows are down nice and low. Use that setup if you need to actually get the weights up. And outside of that, it's pretty simple, okay? That's dumbbell bench press. So it'll take a bit of time to get, but once you do, you'll be fine.